Hello, today we are introducing Mortise and Tenon CNC Machining Center. This machine is from the Kingwoodmac brand, model KW T4X4 24S. We are installing this particular model at an export outdoor furniture factory. The four-sided processing axis design, corresponding to 16 tool heads, allows you to simultaneously handle multiple product details such as drilling, milling, or grooving. The work table system can clamp and rotate the workpiece by 180 degrees, enabling precise processing of 3 faces and angled cuts. All clamping tables are controlled by independent servo motors, allowing you to make easy and flexible adjustments during production. This is an intelligent CNC machining center widely utilized in factories to optimize production processes and minimize errors and labor costs. It is especially suitable for items that require multi-sided processing. Contact us to receive consultation and a quotation for this intelligent 5-axis CNC machining center.